All right, so I wanted to show off our manual food processor. It is it's pretty cool. It's right-handed or left-handed. If you're right-handed, you're good to go. If you're left-handed, you're good to go. And you can make stuff all in it. I'm gonna make a quick guacamole and show you guys how quick and easy it is. So, we're gonna start with the onion because I don't like big chunks of onion in my guacamole. So, we're gonna chop up the onion with our color-coated paring knife, which is one of my favorites. I love our color-coated knives. They are so sharp and they are not that expensive. All right, so if you like a lot of onion in your guacamole, feel free to add as much as you want. I am not a huge fan of raw onion. So I'm going to take about a quarter of the onion here and I just kind of put it in quarters and I'm going to drop it in. Then you're going to put the lid on and give it a few. All right, I'm going to stop there because it's going to keep going as I keep adding stuff. So next, I like tomato. So I'm gonna add some tomato. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and clean out the tomato with our scoop lube. And as always, there are links in the description for all the products that I'm using today. All right. Get the inside all cleaned out. And then chop it into quick quarters. I'll throw it in, but I'm also going to add in the garlic at the same time. So I've got one big old bulb of garlic here. If you like more garlic, feel free, throw more in. But I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put the garlic in our garlic peeler. Give it a quick roll. There we go. Again, I'm going to cut the lip end off and chop them in half and then quarter them and throw it on in. You weren't connected. All right, so now we have our onions, tomatoes, and garlic all chopped up. Next, I'm going to add in some salt and pepper. Just a couple little clicks. I'm going to add in the cilantro. If you don't like cilantro, you can leave it out. It is okay. You are allowed. Nobody's going to make you add cilantro, but I love cilantro in my guacamole. And then we are going to throw in our avocados. And since we already have our scoop lube out, we can go ahead and use it to get our avocado out. Drop it on in. So there's one. Wow, I'm kind of shocked. This one has a really small seed. Expected a bigger seed than that. Let's see. And I have one more over here, so I think I'm going to add half of that one in. There we go. So, get it all in there. Put the lid on. Alright, squish it down, put everything in there. And if your avocados are being stubborn, it is okay. Just take out the blade and you grab your mix and masher and you just mash it up the rest of the way nice and quick. And there you have it. Your wonderful guacamole. Get some tortilla chips and invite some friends over. All right, guys, I will talk to you next time. Bye.